बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिल्लज़ी नस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल हज्जु अशहुरुम मालूमात फमन फ़रज़ा फ़ीहिन्नल हज्ज फ़ला रफ़सा वला फ़सूका वला जिदाला फ़िल हज्ज वमा तफ़अलू मिन खैरिन यअलमुहुल्लाह वतज़व्वदू फ़इन्न ज़ातित तक़वा वत्तक़ूनी या उलिल अलबाब। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इन्नमल आमालु बिन्नियात अक़ौल अद्दीनु कुल्लु अदब सदक़ल्लाहु मौलाना अज़ीम व सदक़ा रसूलुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। सुब्हानका ला इल्मा लना इल्ला मा अल्लमतना व इन्नका अंतल अलीमुल हकीम। My respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's bring our hearts and our mind in the state of shukr. Ya Allah, thank you very much. You gave us birth in the Muslim house. We are Muslim. Now challenge, we should take a last breath with Islam. If we continue making dua and effort, attach ourselves with the masjid, attach ourselves with the ulama, attach ourselves with any dini mehnat, attach ourselves with the Quran. Inshallah, our last breath will be with Islam, with Iman. Mubarak, this is month of Al-Hajj, Al-Hijjah. Congratulations to those brothers and sisters who are going to Hajj. Let's make dua. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept their Hajj. Ameen. And they should make dua for the whole ummah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless their Hajj and accept all duas of all Hajjis in Mecca Mukarramah and Medina Munawwarah. I quoted before Ayat Mubarakah, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayat number 197. In this Ayat Mubarakah, there are 80 cases of Hajj. Of course, you know Hajj is first. Man istata ilayhi sabila. If we have enough money for the family, going and coming back, expenses over there, we are adult and Muslim, health-wise, doctors say okay, then Hajj is first. Now today I am talking about the etiquette of Hajj. Hajj के आदाब क्या हैं? अगर हज के आदाब ना रखें, if we don't follow the etiquette of Hajj, then we'll get less reward. And Quran already tells us, Al-Hajju Asharum Malumat. Hajj is in the well-known month. Shaban, Zikada, Zilhijjah. 3 months. فَمَنْ فَرَضَ فِيهِنَّ حَجَّ. Who have intended, who is going to Hajj, who is starting the Hajj, you should be careful. فَلَا رَفَسَ. No sex relation during the Hajj with the wife. وَلَا فَسُوقَ. No indecencies, no bad behavior, no bad conduct, no sins, even no minor sin we should try to commit during Hajj. Walaj Dala. In the Hajj, there are lot of chances of quarreling each other. No fighting, no quarrel in the Hajj. Be patient. Forgive the people. People will bother you. Especially when you go to Hajar Aswad, you know that. Do tawaf, people push you. Don't push back to them. Don't push back to them. Be cool. وَمَا تَفْعَلُوا مِنْ خَيْرٍ يَعْلَمُهُ اللَّهُ. Whatever good deed you will do during the Hajj, Allah SWT knows that. Don't worry. وَتَزَوَّدُوا. And take provision with you. Take expenses of the Hajj with you. Don't be such condition to become beggar, right? Expect something from other people. In Hajj, be very generous. Take enough money, enough clothing for the Hajj. فَإِنَّ خَيْرَ ذَاتِ التَّقْوَى. The best provision is the taqwa. Very good. You got a lot of money, no problem. But you don't care the character and behavior. No. Keep checking on your behavior. Let shaitan, nafs not bother you and get some sins committed by you. Be watchful. You should be, Hajj should be sin-free time. Hajj should be sin-free time. No sin we should commit during the Hajj period at all. Wattaqu. Fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't disobey Him. Especially during the Hajj. Don't leave of Sunnah Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the Hajj. Be watchful. Ya ulil albab. Oh, the people of understanding. If you have aql, follow the etiquettes of the Hajj. I could call Ad-Dinu Kul Adab. Deen is the name of the adab. Good etiquettes. We come to the masjid, have adab of the masjid. We go home in somebody's house, we have adab, etiquettes. Deen is the name of the adab. Every good behavior is close to Islam. Every bad behavior away from Islam. So therefore, we should be very careful during the Hajj. Now, and whatever we do over there, amal, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows it. Why? He is with us. Wherever we are, He is with us. He is omniscient. He is Sami. He is Basir. He is watching 24 hours. He is listening 24 hours. He is with us 24 hours. Every hour, every minute, every second. Huwa ma'akum ana ma'akuntum. Wherever we are, Allah is with us. If we feel Allah is with me, how we dare to commit any kind of sin? That's the best way to lead sin-free life. Feel Allah is watching me. He is with me. He is listening to me. Now first, the very first adab of the Hajj, please purify intention. We should purify our intention. नीयत को सही करें. I am doing Hajj not to be called Haji Saab, not to have good business. People say, Haji Saab, I have office, people come to me, people trust me. No. We should make intention to only to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it's a farz on me. We are not making salat to make the people happy, to for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. First intention. Second, we should have halal, pure income. We should do Hajj with halal, pure income. Now sometimes we have such a kind of business. What should we do now? It's not 100% halal. We're trying our best. In that situation, Ulama Quran says, borrow money from somebody else. Do Hajj with that money. When you come back, pay back. You understand? Get money from that person whose income is halal. Haram income, Hajj will not benefit you 100%. Woman does not earn haram at all, but sometimes it mixes up. You have bank account, they put interest in that, no matter you tell the bank. But if you see in the statement, that money should be given to some poor person without intention of sawab. This is the masala. Now over there, eat halal tayyib food, please. Eat vegetable or watli chicken. You know that there, over there, chicken comes from Holland also, Australia also. Meat comes from Australia also. Can we sacrifice meat, chicken for 2 weeks? It's possible. It's vegetable. Don't mess up your Hajj by eating haram food. When we eat halal tayyib food, and we say, Labbaik, Allahumma Labbaik, then angels certify, yes, Labbaik, angels say, Labbaik wa Sa'daik. Labbaik, and your Labbaik has been accepted. But when we haram income, haram food, angels say, La Labbaik, La Sa'daik. No Labbaik is accepted. Your Hazri is not accepted. No barakah. We should do Hajj in a beautiful religious group, in which group there are ulama, mashayikh, ulama are there. You understand my point? Before doing any amal, good deed, we should learn. Which is farz. The learning ilm of that amal is farz. Salat is a farz. How to make salat? We should learn this is farz. To learn ilm of salat is a farz on us. If Hajj is a farz on us, we are going to Hajj. Please, before going to Hajj, learn how to do Hajj. It makes sense? I notice in the Hajj, one group is there, one there is a leader, he making dua, and the people following those dua. Maybe leader don't know what he asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even follower don't know what they asking. Please, no. Learn dua yourself and learn the meaning of the dua. You should know what you asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like a Rukun Yamani, there are 70 angels. It is recommended. When you come to Rukun Yamani, you should make specially 2 dua. Of course, all other around, we should make dua, tawaf. But Rukun Yamani, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar. This dua we should make. This is one of the best dua of Quran which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala recommended. This dua cover all benefit of dunya or all benefit of akhirat. Subhanallah. Very jame dua. After first salat, we should read the dua. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar. Ya Allah, bless me with the goodness of this dunya and all goodness of akhirat. Beautiful dua. And then, when we make second dua, Rukun Yamani, Allahumma inni as'aluka kal afwa wal afiya fi dunya wal akhirah. Second recommended dua. Allahumma inni as'aluka. Ya Allah, I ask you easiness, peaceful life from you in dunya and the akhirat. Or other dua. If you don't know Arabic dua, please ask in French language, English language, Punjabi language, Urdu language. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows all languages. Understand? Any language, Sindhi language, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Speak from the heart. Beg from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Act like a good beggar. Act during the Hajj, good beggar. At every new stage of the Hajj, we should make maximum dua. You know that? When we starting Hajj, we should make dua. When we see first time, first look at Khana Kaaba, you are entering from any bab, any door in Khana Kaaba, so you have first look, stop right away there and make dua. That dua is accepted. During the tawaf, dua is accepted. What is tawaf? We should feel in the tawaf, I am like in the washing machine. In the tawaf, my ruh is like washing machine. And after 7 rounds of tawaf, I will be free from every kind of minor ceremony. I'll become like a newly washed, beautiful cloth. My ruh will become like a fresh, free from sin. My ruh will become like a newborn baby. You know what the benefit of the Hajj especially? Hajj will make us like a newborn baby. It's very serious. We should be very serious in the Hajj. That's why I requested before, we should learn how to make Hajj before starting the Hajj. And we should, if Hajj is a farz on us, we should do as soon as possible. Okay, I have 3 daughters. Let me marry them first. Then I'll go to Hajj. No. Marrying the daughter, marrying the boys, children, and setting up the business. Then I'll go to Hajj. This is not a requirement of the Hajj. No. This is man-made, self-made. Let me set up my business, then I'll go. No. Please. do Hajj if it's farz on you as soon as possible. You should ask ulama. Very simple condition. You have enough money to go there, enough money to expenses there, and enough money for the family behind you. Hajj is, and health-wise, you are perfect. And country visa-wise, you are perfect. Then Hajj is farz on you. Do as soon as possible. During the Hajj, when we go Hajj, we say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. When we go down, Subhanallah, Subhanallah, walk straight, Alhamdulillah. What it means by that? At every step, we should do zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Maximum zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is required in the Hajj. More you do zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, more your Hajj will be more accepted and beneficial. Don't forget to take with you all medicine what you take regularly. All medicine what you take regularly, please don't forget to take with you. What about social media? Internet, special cellular telephone. Cellular telephone is a big problem in the Hajj. It has been noticed. People doing tawaf, and he is there in the tawaf. He is calling America, Pakistan to his family. This is my third round. Oh my God. Can you believe it? Honey, I am in the third round now. He has connection with America, with family, with her sweetheart. What is that? And sometimes people tell my daddy he should make dua. What? Well, you are in the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Beg from him. We should connect ourselves. So try to be away from cellular telephone. Of course, in emergency, you can use it. But as soon as you enter in the Khana Kaaba for the amal and rituals, off it. O-F-F. Off it. After finishing all rituals, then open it. If you miss your wife, miss your companion, now call them. I am here, and always before entering the Hajj area, always finishing, you should point out spot. This is a spot. After doing all amal, we will see each other this place. Gate number so and so. But the telephone cell should be 100% OFF. Otherwise, what is that? We have to disconnect ourselves from entire world. We are in the presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Beg everything. Make dua. Make dua for yourself. Make dua for your family. Make dua for your friends. Especially don't forget whole ummah. We should make dua for the whole ummah. Especially those countries like Palestine, like Kashmir, or some other countries where like India, the Muslims are in trouble. The Khokhar is giving them trouble. Please make dua for the hidayat of the Khokhar and the safety of the ummah. Make dua, don't forget dua for the others. Even he is your enemy. Please, you don't like him, but make dua for him. Whenever we make dua, angels say, Ya Allah, bless him. He is making dua for such a person. He never requested for dua. Dua with sincerity will always accept it. During the Hajj, we should be very, very generous. We should do khidmat of the other. Service. Be service able to the other people during the Hajj. Great reward. We should also attend the majalis of deen. You going with any alim, with any jamaat, and they are having beautiful program of Islam. Attend those sessions. You know that on every new ritual, new action, there are certain new duas which we should not forget. When we go to Zamzam, with what dua we ask at the Zamzam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept. Especially, there is a special dua while drinking of Zamzam. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a. Ya Allah, bless me with such knowledge which benefit me. That knowledge will benefit, on which knowledge we also act upon. Rizqan wasi'a. Ya Allah, bless me with more rizq. In the rizq, food, money, income, business, even health is also included in the rizq. وَشِفَاءً مِنْ كُلِّ دَاءٍ. And Ya Allah, give me freedom from every kind of disease. Give me shifa from all my diseases what I have. Physical diseases and spiritual diseases. All these du'as are accepted when we are drinking Abe Zamzam. After drinking Abe Zamzam, you can sit down, standing and drinking Abe Zamzam. This is not like a must. No. If you have no place to sit down, you can drink while standing. If better, sit down, drink the water of Zamzam. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.